Награда вручается господину Саджад Хайдер Хану.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the director of the movie Kamli, it's a great honor for me to receive the diploma and the bouquet. It has been a fascinating experience of film festival. I thank the organizers for the excellent opportunity provided. This was the first ever participation of Pakistan in Rastapad, and we are very grateful and very honored and very encouraged with the results. So, fingers crossed for the next year. Thank you very much.
Там, где зеленый дом на берегу, там гуляет черный котище ученый, пьет он молоко и не ловит мышей.
Передается члену жюри Йовану Марковичу.
Я люблю тебя, я была не права, я тобой болею.
Нам очень трудно, я совсем один.
Take me home, take me home. Growing older.
За лучшую женскую роль присужден актрисе Саба Камал за роль в фильме «Камли». Исламская Республика Пакистан. Режиссер.
Превосходительство господину Саджад Хайдер Хану.
Acknowledge with thanks on behalf of Saba Kamal, who happens to be one of the top actresses in Pakistan. She is more popular in the television series, but recently she has started performing in movies also. I'm very grateful that she has received this award. Thank you very much.
Лучшую режиссуру удостоен режиссер фильма «Камли» Сармат Султан Хусат, Исламская Республика Пакистан. Награда вручается чрезвычайному и полномочному послу Исламской Республики Пакистан в Республике Беларусь, его превосходительству господину Саджад Хайдер Хану.
Thank you very much, Belarus. Sarmat Sultan Khoset, while he is a very young director, he comes from a very distinguished lineage of filmmakers, a family which has been contributing and producing movies for the last 70 years. So I am sure that he'll be proud of this achievement also. Thank you very much.
Sun in the sky.